Today, we're looking at Roadster Shop Spec Series C10 complete chassis kits. We have a 1973 through 1980 platform here and a 1967 to 72 platform over here. A good way to tell them apart is the bed mounting brackets. This is the 67 to 72, and you can see the square fenders got these much bigger, boxier mounts. Both chassis feature the same front suspension configuration in the form of boxed lower control arms and tubular upper control arms with Willwood spindles and excellent Roadster Shop-Fox coilovers. These are monotube, really incredible ride quality and excellent handling as well. Everything's fully adjustable with respect to alignment as well as ride height. You can fine-tune the ride height to match your desired stance as well as your wheel and tire preferences. The frames, you can see, are built out of laser cut sections that are then welded together by expert craftsmen and are engineered to bolt on exactly like the stock chassis but be significantly stronger. In the back, you can see Roadster Shop's parallel 4-link rear suspension, along with more Roadster Shop-Fox adjustable coilovers and a fabricated Ford 9-inch housing with strange axles. You can see that the 4-link features a panhard bar to center the axle. In our Stage 1 kits, we go ahead and include pre-bent stainless steel brake lines. We know that's one of the most frustrating parts of any build, so we go ahead and include that in the kit, already pre-bent and installed. Pretty awesome. We also include engine mounts, not shown here, and transmission cross member to suit your particular engine and transmission combination. And also not shown here on the Stage 1 kit, we go ahead and include a stainless steel gas tank. Like all Roadster Shop chassis, Spec Series kits accept factory bumpers, radiator support. Everything is engineered to bolt on just like stock. Here's that 73 through 80 design, and here is the earlier 67 to 72 C10 design. As you can see, we have Roadster Shop chassis in stock. We can provide you with a complete chassis kit as shown, provide you one powder coated, install it for you, or do a complete ground up build of your car or truck. Thanks for watching.